No, they're not my puppies. Are you good? Oh, they found the wrench? I'm so glad. Where was it?
I don't know. It was there when I got back.
Come see.
Lucy.
Her name is
Lucy.
Stella.
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 Stella, come see. You too far. Come on, Stella. Come on. Come on. Goodbye. Yeah. It's a little lap dog. It's a dog. Yeah. So let me take that out before you
Do you want to go
get
pet her? Do you want to go
pet
pet her?
her?
Go tell her hi. Go give her kisses. Go give her kisses. Give her a kiss. Oh, that's so sweet.
It's like a wet. That was
She said,
precious.
wow, she gives lots of kisses.
She got-
Look, say
she
hi,
got-
Stella.
Yeah, that's
Hi,
it.
Stella. Hi. Hi, Stella.
Hi, Stella.
Look.
Hi.
You want to go give her a kiss while Miss Ann's holding her?
Yeah.
Go give her a kiss. Aww, that's so sweet.
That's nice. It's a good girl.